the life of Jaime Jesus Uy Borlagdan. Begin. Who is Jaime Jesus Uy Borlagdan? And how would you describe him? Jaime Jesus Uy Borlagdan, a shining example of creativity in Bicolano literature, music, art, and cultural activism. Hails from Tobaco City, Albay. He was born on March 6, 1979, and his passionate work has touched the hearts of many art enthusiasts. Through his created that embody his love for the Bicol language and culture. He has captivated audience and demonstrated his dedication for preserving his cultural heritage.
Next, what are some of Jaime's achievements? Borlagdan has received prestigious awards for his outstanding contribution to Bicol literature, including the renowned Premio Tomas Arrejola, in recognition of his exceptional efforts in promoting Bicol culture through his literary works. He was honored with the title of Parasurat Kantaon in 2009 by the Tomas Arrejola Foundation.
What are the famous poems Jaime Jesus Borlagdan wrote? The several famous artworks Jaime Jesus Borlagdan does as Estranjero or The Stranger, An Historia Ninda, An Osiponta or Their Historia are Osipon, and Pagday Ka or In Your Absence. What university did Jaime Jesus Borlagdan graduate from? He graduated from the University of the Philippines, Diliman with a degree of English Studies, majoring in creative writing. Before, he was just a farmer and Rylix fan. He now writes in the Bicol region.
That's all again, we are Group 6.